trying to render a project. It's pretty long, it's 26 minutes, and it keeps failing. It says share failed, and so I'm going to look at the details. And so what it says here is the share operation Apple device 1080p has failed, and I get the video rendering error God, I hate that. I get a video rendering error 10008. So we're going to go ahead and figure out what that is. And I believe it has to do with corrupted video that's pixelated or has some black frames in it. And I've got to find them in my 26-minute project and then cut them out. So that's what we're going to try to do now. Okay, so I've been going through it and watching it, which is a pain in the butt. So I'm going to go frame by frame here. And you're going to see as I move forward you're going to see this black frame come in. There it is. So this right here is what's keeping my project from rendering. So what I've got to do is I got to cut it out right here. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to put a. Let me hear it first.
For today.
All right. So we're going to go back. And I'm going to go right here. Watch. Frame by frame. You're going to see it's going to pixelate. First it went black. And there it's pixelated. When you have this inside of a project, it will not render. And you're going to get that 1000008 video rendering fail code, whatever the hell it is. So I've got to get on this side of it. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put my B there. I'm going to go back. I'm going to go there. I'm going to cut that. Now I'm going to go A, and I'm just going to eliminate that. Bam. Now let's listen to it and see how screwed up I did here.
Supposedly that's supposed to be the same thing, but we're going to see how that works. If it doesn't work, I'm taking it back to Home Depot. Okay. I also did buy.
All right, so I'm going to pull this a little bit this way.
I also did buy this LED light, which makes it 100 times easier for me. So we're going to take a look under here. So anyway.
Okay, so I think we're pretty good now. Now we're going to try to render it and see if it works. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to go to Final Cut Pro. I'm going to come down to Share. And if it doesn't share, that means I've got another one. I've already taken out like 4 of them so far. I just want to show you one because I don't want to waste too much of your time. But I'm going to go ahead and we'll try to render it. Here we go. And if I go up here and I click on this, it's going to give me my box and it's going to tell me what's going on. So far I got 0. But I think it's going to render. And I think this is the solution to that problem, hopefully. Now I'm working on a 2011 Mac, which is a pretty good workhorse. It's done pretty good for me for the last 8-9 years. But it is getting dated. And I do want to get a new one, but I'm not sure I want to because my new iPhone, it's got a lot of glitches in it. A lot of glitches. It doesn't. You can't use the video in the new XS Max iPhone on Final Cut Pro. You've got to change your settings and go to compatible as opposed to the high efficiency. So it kind of sucks. But anyway, I shot video with this. I had to image capture it, then I had to convert it, and then I had to import it, which was a pain in the ass. But anyway, let's cross our fingers and hope that this is working. I'm hoping it's not just that this video sucks because of the XS Max. That could be it. But so far we got 5% in. That means the beginning of the video seems to be okay. I mean, I'm only, I think, 4 minutes into the video where that first glitch was. But there could be more. And that means I've got to ferret them all out by slowly going through it. Because you can miss them really easy if when you're playing it, you got to keep your eyes on it. It's just a quick flash. It doesn't take much to screw it up. 9%. 10%. So we're about 2 minutes into it, and we're okay. 11%. Still going. Hasn't found another one. 12%. 13. This is about when it blew out on me last time, so I think that's that first one there. 14. Okay, we went past that one. 15% into the film. Now we're at 16. I think we might be getting lucky here. So when it stops at whatever percentage is, I got to multiply that times my length of my film, and that's usually where the glitch will be. 17%, we're looking good. 18, not bad. Looks like it might work. Cross your fingers, 19%, looking good. So this new iPhone XS Max is it's a pain in the ass. Because, Apple should, have shit that works with all their other shit. And this thing doesn't. So that's just some extra steps. It's just ridiculous. All right, we're at 22. That's the farthest I've gotten so far. I think I might have got all my glitches out of there. 23, 24. Yeah, we're almost 25% through the film. 25. All right, let's do it, man. Let's render it all the way through. You can do it. 26. It's important for me to figure out where this thing is because it's, I can't keep watching 26 minutes of video all day. I've already spent like 3 hours on it. All right, we're almost through a third of it. Looking good. 28, 29. I think we're going to be okay. So right now we're about 8 minutes through the film. All right, I'm just going to speed this up because I don't think you want to hear me drone on and on about my complaints about Apple. So here we go. Bam, done. So if it fails here, that means in the last 5% of this video, there's a glitch. Oh, look at that. Share successful. We did it, guys and girls. All right, that's how you fix that error code, 100008. And if you have any other questions, write them in the comments. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I got a bunch of other ones on Final Cut Pro and YouTube and doing video production and iPhones and all that junk. Also, I put a faucet in, dude. Never did that before. Ha! If I can do it, you can too. Thanks a lot. Bye.